With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A solid sphere of mass m radius r is pulled by a force F as shown in the figure. If the sphere does not slip over the surface, then frictional force acting on the sphere. So let us say that the friction force is acting in this direction, F. And see, this statement here does not slip. It means that if I take the point of contact P, it will be having the same acceleration as that of the ground, which is 0, right? So acceleration of the point P should be 0. So let's say the acceleration of the center of mass is A and the angular acceleration is alpha and the radius is, let's say, r. So as I told you, the acceleration of point P should be 0. So I will draw a curve like this. If I say this point having because of translational motion, acceleration is A. Because of rotational, it will be having alpha r. Net acceleration should be 0. So A should be equals to alpha r, right? Now if you see here, the net force on this sphere, it is F minus F. It will be equals to mass times of acceleration. Now let's come to the torque part. If you see about the center, because of the two forces, there will be torque. And if you see the distance of line of action of force from the center, it is R and R. Right? These are the line of action of force. And this is the center. From the center, they both are at a distance of R and R. And if you see the sense of rotation of the two, they are having the same sense of rotation, that is in clockwise direction, this direction and this direction. So they both will get added if I write down the net torque. If I write down the net torque, it will be Fr plus small fr. This fr because of the force applied and this because of the friction force, and it will be equals to I times of alpha. Now if you see, it is said that it is a solid sphere. For solid sphere, I can write down this I is equals to 2 by 5 mr square. And from here you can also write down this alpha is equals to A by R. Put this value here. So I will write down this F plus F into R is equals to 2 by 5 mr square into A by R. So this will get cancelled out and you will get F plus F is equals to 2 by 5 ma. So we want the friction force, and if you see the ma value, ma is equals to F minus F. Put this here. I will write down F minus F, right, is equals to ma. So if I write down, if I cross multiply this 5, I will write down 5f plus 5 small f is equals to 2 capital F minus 2 small f, right? So from here you can write down 3f is equals to, it will be minus 7f, right? If you see minus 2 minus 5, it will be minus 7. So I will write down this small f is equals to minus 3 by 7f. And if I talk about the magnitude will be simply 3 by 7f in the direction opposite to the taken direction. So the friction force will be in this direction and it will be 3f by 7. Opposite to the direction taken by us. Now you can check for the option B is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.